Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about use of DGet formula. We have the basic details of the employees, which includes employee ID column. We have employee name column, department column, and we have the remaining details of the employees. In this video, we need a function to get other details. We simply insert employee ID, it gives details. We usually apply VLOOKUP function. Like, we apply VLOOKUP formula. In this lookup cell, select employee ID cell. In the table array, select whole table. Then, we write to for second column address. Now test our formula by inserting employee ID. But if we drag the formula, it will not work. It gives not available error. Now, if I write here employee ID, it gives few information. For this issue, we use formula DGet. DGet formula will also help to get other details. We simply type formula equals to DGet. Now, for the database, we select whole table. Table should select with headings, otherwise will not work. Now we need to make our table constant by F4. Now we need field, so we select name heading. But make sure both spellings should be same. Then we need to select the employee ID and below cell. It fulfills our criteria requirements. Again, we need to make it constant by F4. Now we need to drag forward to apply on other cells. It will save our time by dragging the formula. Now we can test our formula by inserting ID. It gives the same result as mentioned in table. We can cross-check our result with given one. It will also show the impact of changing. Same details will reflect in the above table. We can also restrict our employee's ID by using the data validation function. After selecting cell, go on Data tab for data validation. Select the list option from it. Now select whole employee ID column. Now we can select the employee's ID from list. Data validation restrict our selection. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel to show your support.